is good hygiene practices. So what is GHP? So GHP is covers the minimum sanitary and hygiene practices for food processing, food preservation, food packaging. So hygiene should be taken care in that, so that food is safe and suitable for human consumption. So it is taken in hotels, restaurants, and wherever it is food preservation is there, or food packaging is there, or food processing is carried out. So that is GHP, that is good hygiene practices. So now we talk about the elements. So now elements of GHP. What are the elements which are considered in GHP? So the first element is the primary production. Primary production meant it considers the hygiene related to the environment, environmental hygiene. Okay, the environmental hygiene, it takes care about that clean water supply should be provided, human and animal waste disposal should be taken care, protect food from biological contamination. So that is the environmental hygiene it takes care in primary production. So the next is hygienic production of food sources which are produced. So that is hygienic. Hygiene should be taken care in that. In handling, in storage and transport of food, hygiene should be taken care in handling, in storage of food and in transport of food. Cleaning, maintenance and personal hygiene should be taken care. Cleaning all the dishes, all the equipment should be cleaned properly. Maintenance should be taken care in that, and personal hygiene should be taken care in that. Okay, so that is the primary production, that is the first element, that is the primary production is the first element. A second is establishment, design and facilities. Second element is establishment, design and facilities. In establishment, it takes care about the location, the equipment and the premises meant the building and the land around it that business owns or uses. Okay, a building or a land around it that a business owns or uses it. So that is the premises. And the rooms, so it takes care about the location, that the best location should be provided, the best equipment should be provided and should be maintained properly, it should be cleaned properly, and the premises and the rooms should be taken care in that. The best equipments, the best location, the best premises and the best rooms should be provided in processing food, in food preservation, in packaging, everywhere. So the next is design. What designs are taken care? In designs, it takes care about the internal structure and the fitting of the location. Internal structure, where the food are stored, what is the internal structure of that room, what is the fitting of that room. So the vending machines which are used in food processing, food production, vending machines which are used, it should be correctly installed. Okay, and the next is the food control and monitoring equipments. Food control and monitoring equipments should be taken care. So that is the design. In facilities, it provides the water supply. Water supply should be there. There should be no cut of water, no shortage of water should be there. Drainage and waste disposal. Cleaning is the most important in hygiene. Your hands, the personnel which is taking care of that food processing or which is producing that food should be, their hands should be clean. Temperature control is to be taken care, meant at what type of temperature the food should be cooked so that it should not be spoiled. So that is the temperature control. Or air quality and ventilation should be taken care. Air quality meant ventilation is very proper in food. Some foods are kept in airtight container, some foods are kept in open air. Lighting and storage, lighting should be taken care, proper lighting should be provided, proper storage facility should be provided. So that is the second element which GHP considers. GHP, good hygiene practice, like in GAP, goods agriculture practices, takes care of the crop, land, right, animals, manures. So same here, GHP considers about the hygiene. So third element is control of operation. Control of operation meant control of hazard. Hazard meant danger. It takes care about the hazard, danger, that no one should be hurt. Time and temperature should be taken care. Water and pest control which are registered, so the pest control which are already registered should be used in the fields, in the agriculture fields. So that is the third element, that is the control of operation. Fourth is personal hygiene. So personal hygiene, it takes care about the illness, injuries. Okay, the person which are employed in that particular field should not be injured. Cleanliness, personal cleanliness, I had already told you that their hands should be washed, they should be cleaned properly. So personal behavior, visitors. So that is the fourth point, which is personal hygiene should be taken care. The next is transportation. In transportation, it takes care about that while transporting food, the food should not be spoiled. Okay, so the hygiene should be taken care while transporting the food. So in that, it takes care that it do not contaminate food and packaging. Food and packaging should not be contaminated, should not be spoiled. Effective cleaning should be taken care, and this no disinfection should be caused. Effective separation of different food from non-food items. Protect from contamination, dust and fumes. It protects from contamination, spoilation, dust and fumes. It maintains temperature, humidity, atmosphere to protect food from microbial growth. So these all points are taken care while transporting the food. Next is product information and consumer awareness. Information about the product and consumer awareness should be provided about the related product. Lot identification meant the whole product identification should be given to the consumer. Product information should be given to the consumer. Perfect labeling should be there on the product. Consumer should be educated about the product, their expiry date, their hygiene, everything. So that is the product information should be given to the consumer. Consumer awareness should be taken care. Next is the training. Training programs are conducted for handling the food. So for that training program should be conducted. Okay, so that are the elements about the GHP. In GHP it covers only that much only. So thank you so much and keep watching.